The task at hand today is to tidy the driveway. Why do we need to do that? Because we've made bookings with 3 local estate agents and we need this driveway to be tidier than it is.
We want it to look its best. We've booked in 3 valuers to come and look at the house and obviously the garden. So we're going to spend a bit of time today de-weeding, having a bit of a sweep up, brush up and making it look its best.
Tying all these bits of weeds up and getting them in our brown bin, which is for garden waste. Please comment below and tell us what colour your bin is, because what we've learned recently is every different area has a different colour bin system. We'd be intrigued to know what colour is your garden waste bin.
Or if they even have one.
Do you even have one? I'd be really intrigued to know, do you have a garden waste bin? If so, what colour is it? So now we've picked out all the weeds, what we've been left with is the leftover garage door frame, which we're going to cut through using a circular saw.
And take it where?
We're going to tidy it up and stack it in a pile, and at some point...
And it'll sit there until Dan decides to go into the tip.
So I think after a really good hard day's work, this looks really good. We're really happy with the result. All we need to do is Vicky needs to take this wood to the tip.
Oh.